okay. Um, I know in the Houston area there's a tropical. Well, it's not a tropical storm anymore. It's definitely a hurricane that's going to crash into Galveston. It's supposed to be just as bad as Alicia. Um, they've already pretty much boarded up all their houses. Yesterday, all the traffic was bad trying to get out of Galveston. There's a mandatory evacuation that's going out of Galveston. Reading in the paper in Houston Chronicle. You can see it. Ike, Swirls toward Texas, and everybody's getting out. So supposedly this is Ike's path here. You can see in the paper right there. That's Ike's path there, and it's supposed to be hitting Galveston, which is over here, about 6 o'clock tonight. Yeah. Well, for most of everyone's already evacuated, and of course that was 9/11 yesterday. But as I could see from yesterday, most of the guys, most of the families, they moved out. They're heading, which doesn't make any sense if Ike's path's near Dallas, which is most people probably went to Dallas or San Antonio. I guess they get the less of it, but Ike's path's going all the way up through Texas, so even in Dallas you're gonna feel it. It's just most of the part that's going to be near Galveston, according to officials. Just like David Paul had said, like all the winds. The meteorologists here at Channel 11, most of the winds were going to be over 100. The surge, once it pushes against the sea wall, it's supposed to go up to about 20 foot of waves. So, yeah, if I was, I guess, Galveston right now, I would definitely be worried. But some of them are going to stay in Galveston, and I really think that they're going to have to find a peace of mind. They're going to have to really think about their decision to stay in Galveston. If anything, those people need the most care. American Red Cross, I'm sure, is by, and the Army officials, they're by too, just in case something major happens. We're going to lose power, I know that, and this will probably be the last broadcast here for a while. But I mean, you really can't think that way. I decided to stay too. I'm not leaving my home. I've had a lot of my friends tell me that it's going to be really bad, but no. I've been through a lot of hurricanes before. I've been through Alicia when with my family, with my dad, with my sister, and it wasn't that completely that bad. for us, unfortunately, but we did have a lot of water. Well, where I'm at, it's pretty high on land, but I'm not saying what could and what couldn't happen, but you can't dwell on that. You've got to push forward. You've got to believe in yourself. You just can't give up. No, I don't believe in giving up. Well, for the ones that do stay, I like to play Eyes of Tears. I think it's a calming song, and for the ones that do stay, I think if they hear some music, then the music, because what music does is it's calming. Once you've applied to the certain type of music, the calming situation will happen. Ike is a powerful force, of course, and it's from the earth. It's the elements. Well, music is part. It's a sound. It's depending on the music and the words, or it's the sound. It what calms things. It you know it calms your atmosphere. It calms where you're at. That's what music does. There's no need to get excited. I know people get excited at the last minute, just like when we all ran out of gas and we were all on the highway for, God-forsaken long time, because the mayor said to get the hell out of Dodge. So we all ran out of gas and we're all stuck on the highway. Well, the same thing here, but I mean, if you're prepared enough, then I believe you will survive. I do believe in that. But I don't know the future. But I do know that I can try to calm those that are around me with music, because it is calm. So, with that, I'm going to play Eyes of Tears.